ATT Business Tax and Accounting Principles, May 2014, Question 2. My name is Omar Aswat. Jamjar Ltd was incorporated on 1st of May 2019 when it also began trading. So, incorporating a company to begin with does not mean anything for corporation tax purposes. It is when the first source of income is obtained, and that is when your period of account for CT purposes begin. So when it begins trading, which is the same day as incorporation, CT 600 or corporation tax obligations come into play. It has just prepared its first accounts to 30th April 2020. So 1 May 19 to 30th April 2020, which is a 1-year period of account or accounting period, which show a profit of £50,000. Jamjar Ltd will file a corporation tax return CT 600 and the accounts on 31st May 2021. This will be the first time that HMRC are made aware that the company has been trading. No tax has been paid yet. Identify the 3 different penalties that may be applied to Jamjar Ltd and different penalties that may be applied to Jamjar Ltd and the relevant dates from which these may be charged, assuming the penalty provisions introduced by Finance Act 2016 are in force. You are not required to state the amount of each penalty. So 3 different penalties we're identifying, and also we are stating the relevant dates from which they may be charged. That is for 3 marks. Now, this will be the first time, so on 31st May 2021 will be the first time HMRC are made aware that the company has been trading. Well, they are immediately subject to a late notification penalty, which will be chargeable from 1st August 2019. So 1 May 2019 to 1st August 2019 is 3 months. Okay? And companies have an obligation to notify HMRC when the first chargeable accounting period begins or when they come within the charged corporation tax, which would have been 1st of May 2019 as it began trading. The company must give written notice within 3 months of the start of the accounting period. They have not notified HMRC of anything, so 3 months chargeable, any penalties, late filing penalties would be chargeable from 1st August 2019. And this is found in Finance Act 2004, Section 55. The second penalty would be the late filing penalty, which is chargeable from 1st of May 2020, so 1 year following trading beginning. Okay, so trade began again 1st of May 2019, 1st of May 2020 is 12 months later. Okay, and so HMRC after notification will normally issue a notice to the company requiring it to file a CT 600. And obviously until this notice is issued, the company does not have any obligation to file a return. Now, the CT 600 is required to be filed 12 months in normal circumstances. A CT 600 is due for filing for submission to HMRC 12 months from the end of the chargeable accounting period. Chargeable accounting period ended 30th April 2020. Should have filed CT 600 within 12 months. However, Jamjar will file a CT 600 on 31st May 2021. They should have filed it by 30th April 2020, so they will also be liable to late filing penalties and relevant dates chargeable from 1st of May 2020. The third issue is the fact that no tax has been paid yet. Okay, so no tax has been paid. Even though the accounts ended 30th April 2020, it is now 31st May 2021. No tax has been paid yet. Late payment penalty, not anymore, okay? No penalty, but interest is due. So late payment of corporation tax is currently subject only to interest and no penalties are due. Should have been paid, should have been paid if not a large company, no later than 9 months and 1 day following the end of the accounting period. So 30th April 2020, 9 months, 1 day would be May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, 1st of Feb 2021. Should have been paid 1st of Feb 2021. So interest will accrue from that date onwards, but no late payment penalty. That is for 3 marks, and you'd simply get a mark each. The penalty, so we said there's no penalty there, but interest is due. The penalty along from when it would be chargeable from 3 marks.